Hi there, how are you? Here is a step-by-step guide on how to use iPhone auto brightness without draining battery. First, open the setting apps on your iPhone and tap on accessibility. Scroll down to display and text size and tap on it. And you toggle on the auto brightness feature here. Toggle on. Your iPhone will automatically adjust the brightness level based on the ambient light around you. Note that you can also turn off the True Tone feature, which automatically adjusts the color temperature of your screen based on the ambient light around you. This feature can consume more battery power compared to the auto brightness feature. Note that you can also turn off the True Tone feature, which automatically adjusts the color temperature of your screen based on the ambient light around you. This feature can consume more battery power compared to the auto brightness feature. Back to the setting, tap on display and brightness, and then you can see True Tone is on. Now we turn it off. And then you also can reduce the screen brightness manually if necessary. While the auto brightness feature can help save battery life, reducing the screen brightness manually can also help further conserve battery power. You can do this by swiping down from the top right corner of your iPhone screen to access the control center. And you can adjusting the brightness slider to your desired level. Like this, like that. And that's it. By following these steps, you can use the auto brightness feature on your iPhone without draining your battery. The auto brightness feature is designed to save battery power by adjusting the brightness of your screen based on the ambient light around you. So you don't have to manually adjust it yourself. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye!